Alright, we have to shoo this guy out of here. Come on, out you go. Let's hopefully I don't get pooped on. Come on, at least my lights are getting dusted. Come on, find the outside. Find the outside. Alright, let's see. Hopefully he doesn't crawl up in that attic there, because I got a loose tile. That'd be kind of a certain death for it there. You just need to use your eyeballs, buddy. That big empty hole in the front. Come on, big empty hole in the front. There you come on, man. You were so close. So close. Come on. Let's see. I'm gonna give you some encouragement there. I don't know. Come on, guy, get out of there. Come on. There you go. See this big empty hole out here? Come on, man. Gotta be smarter than that. Maybe I'll turn the lights off. You'll quit going up in there. Where you at? I see ya. Come on. You ain't the brightest bird in the box. Just a little lower, man. There's the big hole out there. The big hole. Right there. Big hole. Alright. Let's close the door halfway. See what we can do. Come on, guy. I know up is usually the answer, but not in this case. You got to come down here. Come on down here. That's the last thing I need is bird poop all over my shop. Come on. Find your way out. He's got plenty of room right here. Come on. You dumb bird. Just fly out the hole, stupid. Bird brain. I guess that's where that comes from. You're looking at freedom right there in front of you, and you want to go up into my attic. Gotta be smarter than that, man. Come on. Down. Yeah, I don't know what to do for you. All right, finally. After 5 minutes of chasing this poor little guy around the shop, wearing him out, and I finally got him to where I could reach up and grab him. Poor little dude is so wore out and scared. All right, you ready? All right, go be free. Go.